All right, we have got a great video for you today. But today we're going to focus on Ben's truck. We got some fabrication to do to build some floor panels. We're going to do some pinch welds so that we can get new door seals in. We're also going to do the insulation down on the floor so that we block out some of the sound and block out a lot of the heat. And we're going to get some carpeting installed. That'll allow us to finally get the seat in when it's done, and we'll be able to get this thing starting to get wrapped up, and maybe we'll get it out of here because we're real tired of working on these things. And they're great trucks, don't get me wrong, but we're tired of working on it. We want to move on to the next thing. 55 Chevy, 56 Ford F100, 69 Blazer, two-wheel drive.
So today we're on the passenger side of Ben's truck now, and this is what's left of his threshold over here on the passenger side. I'll probably do a patch like I did on the driver's side, but see this line right here? So I'll probably just stamp a strip that goes right here to there. So now this is Ben's passenger side threshold, and this is the starts of the patch I'm going to do. Spot weld it along here, and yeah, should work out all right.
When I saw you downtown, I started acting like a clown, just to see if you would notice me and maybe get you to laugh. I did get some attention from the girl right next to you. Then all my friends saw me fleeing for my life. Steam love.
This is what's left of one of his original thresholds here. Alright guys, so we got my next patch here. Same drill. Alright, so we're going to paddle wheel that down. And then next we're going to work on the strip that goes on the bottom of the threshold. Alright guys, there it is. So now we need to make a runner that goes all the way like that. Flat piece and then break it, and it'll be pretty cool. I think I need to massage a little bit because I think it's bowing out, so I got to check that out. Not that it really matters too much, but you know, we need it as straight as possible. Anyway, let's see what we got here. So what do we do? For starters, we're going to spot weld it to the rocker. Then that way I can kind of manipulate how it wants to go from there. Alright guys, so now we have this trough, then we have a runner, but anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to spot weld it up, and then paddle wheel it up, and then it'll be that part of it will be done. Yay!
What's up?
Okay. Well, what do you think? Ooh, threshold. Whoa. Those are our patches. We got a nice new rib there to put our door rubber on. That is ×2. That's already been done. Now this is done. So, we have sound deadening material to put in here. But the pad isn't big enough to do the whole floor. I know some other companies you can buy them in like tiles that actually glue down. This is not one of those. Alright, so we'll lay her out flat. The old tape measure. 59.5. Say what? Yay, math. Okay.
We're gonna make it certified.
Man, I guess we're committed now.
Tommy, did Brandon leave those brakes?
Yeah. They're all in the
house. Yeah. The hut. All right, welcome back to the Odd Rod Garage. We're doing a little bit of work on Ben's truck today. All right, so this stuff is really good. It's nice, thick, good insulation to keep out heat and to keep out sound. And so we're pretty much finished up over there. I got a little more on the firewall to do. Then we're gonna come down here. It's gonna use every bit of the stuff we have. We might end up having to buy another little piece. So luckily the stuff, you can piece it together like a jigsaw puzzle. It doesn't have to be, you know, as long as you tighten the seam up, you're perfectly good. It doesn't have to be one piece. So I'll get to taking care of this here and we'll see how far we can go on the firewall. So we'll use up all of our little parts and pieces so that we don't waste anything. Waste not, want not. That's the old saying, isn't it? And as long as you have the paper on the back, it cuts real nice. Once you have the sticky exposed, it sticks to everything. So you gotta be careful with it. Well, I didn't think we were gonna make it. We barely did by the skin of our teeth. So I'm gonna grab the carpeting, I'm gonna throw it in. We'll let the sun heat it up a little bit. It'll help to flatten things out. In a couple of days, we'll go ahead and staple it down with the nice new moldings we have. So check it out.
When I saw you downtown, I started acting like a clown.
All right, so we need to relieve the carpet right here to go around the new gas pedal we put in, because this is an electronic gas pedal and it went into a different location. So we're not going to let the carpeting sit out for a day or so. Get nice and supple so it'll move around for us. We'll make some trim and we'll tuck it up in there. You have to admit it looks good. We appreciate you guys coming by. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. We got the merchandise store that's right on the verge of being there. Bear with us. We appreciate it. And thanks for watching.